Hello guys, Evans here once more. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be winding up on the October-November 2014 Paper 3 IGCSE ICT exam. In the last video we were looking at data analysis and we ended on step 26, and then in this video I'm gonna wind up on this section on web authoring. Okay, so the scenario is that Dara Cycles has a website which is currently being updated. The owners have decided that a new style sheet will be developed and attached to each web page, so you will create a style sheet to meet their requirements. Okay, so all color codes must be in hexa decimal, right? So that's very important. Okay, so step 27, create a new style sheet in a suitable package. Okay, so I'm gonna open my front page and I'm gonna create a new page. Okay, a new page, and I'm gonna select style sheets and then normal style and then say okay. Right, so I'm gonna go under style here to define my style, and then let's go back to the question paper and see what is required. So one, we need to set the style sheet so that each table has one, a yellow background, 80% width of the window, and then navy blue solid borders. Okay, and then also collapse borders, external borders of 4 pixels, internal grid lines of 4 pixels, cell padding to the top and bottom of 10 pixels, and cell padding to the left and right of 20 pixels, and then the text must be center aligned. So I must say that there isn't really any particular order that you must follow in dealing with this. You can choose whichever you want to start with. What matters is that you should just be keeping track of what you would have done and what you would not have done. So also you can use the GUI to be able to create some of these, and then you can also use the HTML source code in the code to create some of this stuff. So whichever you are conversant with, you'll be able to work with that. I prefer working with both here and there. Sometimes it's very easy to create something using the HTML code, and then at other times it's easy to create using the GUI, okay, the graphical user interface of the HTML editor. Okay, so let's start out with yellow background. I'm not gonna follow any order there, like I said. So we need to define, first of all, let's go to the table and let's see what we can define under table. So select table and then go to modify, then let's go to border, and under border, let's see, we need solid line. Remember, we were told that we need navy blue solid borders. Okay, so solid style should be solid, so that you can try out other types of borders. You'll see the difference as you move your mouse there, but you need solid just to have that. So the width should be 4 centimeters and the color should be navy blue. Okay, so when you hover your mouse, you see it's written here navy blue. Okay, then cell padding for the table. Cell padding, we need top and bottom 10 pixel, and then cell padding left right 20 pixel. So let's go back here, left right 20 pixel, so just type 20, and right 20, top 10, and left rather bottom 10. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can set just right here. If you go under shading, the background color of the table, we are told that it should be yellow. Okay, so the background color for the table should be yellow. Okay, all right, so for this one we are done. You have border 4, and then solid should be, this is navy blue color. You remember they are supposed to be in hexadecimal, so the 00080, that's navy blue. And then padding should be 20 left, padding right 20, padding top 10, padding bottom 10, background color FFF 0, so that's yellow. Okay, so if there is any other thing that you need to do, when you go to paragraph, alignment of the text, you can set it to be center, but this is the alignment of the table. So let's just chill a bit. Let me just verify something also. Position, we've not been told the position of the table. I hope the width that I see here, we're told that the table should occupy a width of 80%. So I'm going to change that within the HTML code. Okay, I'll come back if there is anything more. We can come back always and modify it. Let's go to another tag, and then this time we're going to go to the TD. Now remember, the table defines the outer contents of the table, and the TD defines the cells of the table. The TR defines the rows. So in this case, we want to define the cells inside. So we'll go back on border. Now the TD actually is the one where you can modify the internal grid lines. So remember, the external grid lines, we set them to 4 pixels in the other one. The internal grid lines can be set using the TD. Okay, so let's go back here. The internal grid lines, we're supposed to be 4, rather 2. It's a solid as well. And then this one is supposed to be 20 cell padding left, cell padding right 20, cell padding top 10, and then this one also 10. So the color also must be navy blue. Okay, so for this one I think we are done as well. If there is anything else for this one, we'll still come back and add some more. So let's go back here and just verify. So we're done with yellow background. We've not done the width of the window. We done navy blue borders. We've not done border collapse, and we've done external grid lines and internal grid lines. We've done the cell padding for both the TD and then the text center align. We've not done text center align, so we can do that in the TD, or we can do that in the table. So I'm gonna go back here, and paragraph, alignment, I'm going to make center. Okay, so you see that the text is going to be centered. This could have been done as well as under table and not just under TD. It's still fine, you still get marks for that. Okay, so the rest of the stuff, I think I'm gonna do them inside. I'm gonna do them inside the HTML code, such as the width as well as the border collapse. Okay, then the rest of the stuff we've already done them. So let's just go to just say okay. Now here, this is where we need to do the border collapse under the table. So just where you have the table, you can modify the border collapse there. Okay, so just pardon me guys, my phone is ringing this side. Let me just attend to that. Okay, all right, so yeah, so just at the end of the color, put a semicolon like that to show that you want to put in a new attribute. So in this case, we want border collapse. Okay, full colony, and then this is collapse. Okay, so that's how you put border collapse. The other thing that also we want to put is that the table width should be 80%. So under table, just put width to be 80%. So width should be equal to let me just verify that the width should be that. Okay, yeah, the width should be 80%. Just check out this one. The width should be 80% of the window. Okay. Who is this calling now? Guys, I'm gonna have just to pause the video just a moment. Let me just pick up this call and I'll come back in just a moment. Right, guys, let's continue. I had to pick up that call. It was very important. Okay, so I was talking about the width of 80% of the window. And so if we go back to our style sheet, I was typing width. Width should be whoosh, people keep on calling me. What's happening today? Okay, let me just shut down my phone. Right, so width 80%, just type 80% like that. Okay, so we are done. People today, guys, just pardon me. Let me just pause the video just for a moment. Let me just pick up this call. Right, so sorry about that, guys. People keep on getting in touch with me. I don't know, I was away and then I left my phone, so I found people have been trying to get in touch with me. Right, so I'm gonna just put with 80% and that's it. So this is what we want to have for the table. So the next thing that we're supposed to do, just verify that all these actually you've actually dealt with them. So that's very easy. I'm gonna go to step 29. If guys have left out any of the elements here, please, you are free to comment them out. I'm trying to as much as possible rush through this paper so that you guys can have a paper to revise prior to exam tomorrow. So step 29, add the style sheet for add the text style sheet for tables to your style sheet as a comment. So I'm gonna just copy this and then we need to add this as a comment. So to be able to add a comment in HTML, you need to, so I'm gonna put it just somewhere there, / asterisk like that, and then paste my text and then asterisk and /. So that is a comment. Okay, next, add your name, center number and candidate number to your style sheet as a comment. So another comment we're supposed to put there. So another comment / then your name, Chikasa Evans, ZM556 and then 0001, and then close your comment box. Okay, so that one is done. Next, step 31, save your style sheet as n14 table.css. So I'm gonna go save as, and then I'll go to my folder where I'm working with this paper, and I'm gonna save it in here as n14 table.css. Okay, so that is that. Save. Okay, next, place a copy of your style sheet in your evidence document. So I'm gonna go here, copy this from table, just highlight everything, copy it and go to your evidence document, and then this is step 32. So just type underneath there step 32 and paste your style sheet. Okay, don't worry about the spelling, the correction and stuff. Don't worry about that. Okay, that's not important. So don't spend time starting to correct this stuff here. Next, guys, is step 33. Using a suitable software package, open the file n14 tc.htm. So I'm gonna open it still with FrontPage. I'm gonna go desktop and 2014 and go inside my files, and the file in question is this one. Okay, so we've opened it. We'll go to attach the style sheet saved in step 31 to this web page. So this is where now you need to test if your style sheet actually worked. So when you go to format and style sheet links, add, and then let's browse to where our style sheet was saved, desktop and the It's 2014, this one, then that one, and then let's find out if it works. There you go. So it has attached the style sheet there, and the style sheet works just perfect. Okay, just perfect. And this occupies 80% of the width of the window. Replace the text, place candidate details here with your name, center number, and candidate number. Step 35. So here I'm gonna replace Chikasa Evans ZM5560001. Okay. Next step, step 36. Use the image placed in the left column, the road bike image, to create a hyperlink to a new web page called roadbike.htm, which will open in a new window called _road. So here the road bike image is this one. Okay, so highlight, select it, hyperlink. It should link to roadbike.htm. Just verify the name. Actually, that is supposed to be roadbike.htm, which should open in a new window called _road. So to open a new window, go to target frame and then select new window, and then should open in _road. Okay, set OK, and you should verify. It should open. The web page is roadbike.htm. The target frame is _road. Once this is done, then the hyperlink is created and it is ready for use. Okay. Step 37. Create a hyperlink from the text. Click here so that it sends an email message to TC. So I'm gonna just copy these guys, and then the subject is website offers. So we're creating a hyperlink to an email address, to send an email message. So click here. That's the where the hyperlink should be. So create hyperlink from here, and it should link to an email. So select email address here, and then the email address is the one that we just pasted, copied there, and then the subject is website offers. So I'm going to copy this as well as the subject, website offers. Okay, and I'm going to paste the subject here. Okay, so this is done. Say OK. Step 38. Create a hyperlink from the text hothouse design to the website. This is the website. Okay, so we've clicked on the website now. I'm gonna just have to go back. Can't even go back. Okay, let me just close this. Now I've closed my question paper. I'll have to trace where my question paper is. Should be this one. Open with Edge. Okay, so we sort of clicked on the hyperlink on the link to the website, so it kind of, yeah, so we don't have to click on the link. So let me just copy it better, copy, and then it should open a window called hothouse. So we're going to create a hyperlink on this text, hothouse design hyperlink, and it should open in existing page. The address is this one. A target frame is supposed to be new window called hothouse. Okay, hothouse. Okay, so just verify hothouse. Just verify that that's the name of your hothouse there. That's okay. And then click on OK. So you've done with that hyperlink. Step 39. Save the web page as n4tc_work.htm, and then yeah, so we've saved this one. Then no, sorry, I was not supposed to save it like this. It's supposed to go on file and then save as, and then this one _worked. Okay, that's supposed to be the file. So I've now destroyed the original file. I hope there's no question that's asking me to work with the original this file, because if that be the case, I've already caused some damage to it. Yeah, so display the web page in the browser and place screenshot evidence of this web page in your evidence document, and print a copy of the HTML markup. Okay, so I'm gonna just display this in the evidence, rather in the browser. View it in the browser. So there you go, this is in the browser. I'm just gonna get this copy and then paste it. I don't know if I'm supposed to paste it in my Word document, in my evidence document. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to put it in step 39. So let's go to my evidence document, and just down here I'll say step 39, and yeah, so let me just take this to the next page. Yeah, take it to the next page. Okay, that's fine. And then under here, that's where I paste this one. So you just need to crop it so that it looks nice, but it's perfect just the way it is. I don't think there's any issue. Let me just close this. Just do that and that. Yeah, it's perfect the way it is. Okay, so the next one, we're supposed to print a copy of the HTML markup. So here, go to source code, and then just go to file and print this one that you have. Okay, step 40, using a suitable software package, open the file n14 roadbike.htm. So just go to this one, file, open, and then this time go to desktop, and 2014 October November, and road bike is this one. Okay, so that's that one. Next step, attach the style sheet saved in step 31. Okay, so we attach the style sheet which we just created. Open, rather go to format, style sheet links, add, and then browse to where the style sheet is. I should think it should be this one. Desktop, that one, yeah, it should be this one, and attach it there. And there you go, it has been attached. Okay, next, replace the text, place candidate here details with your name, center number, and candidate number. So go back here, should be here, edited by Chikasa Evans, ZM 556 and 001. Okay, and then next, set all text in the right cell of the table as an ordered list. Okay, in the right cell of the table, which is this one, let's set this text as an ordered list. Okay, so just click there and go to split design or split view, and then just after the TD, you need to put in a tag for an ordered list. Okay, an ordered list, so you get the tag like that. Then under here, you need to put now tags to list individual bullets. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this, copy it, and paste it a couple of times just for each bullet that is there. Okay, I think that should be enough. Then I'm gonna just cut these and put it in between a list. Cut and paste it there. Cut this one 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 and paste it there. Wow, actually I actually made the exact number of the exact number of the list. Okay, so that should be fine. Okay, now what it's supposed to do to be able to view that, if you scroll down here, you see that they haven't yet been applied, but once I click inside here, you will see that the lists have actually been applied. So the unordered lists are actually supposed to be bullet points and not numbers. Okay, so that is how you deal with that. So you make sure you have an open tag for an ordered list and a closed tag for an ordered list, and then these other can just come inside there. Yeah, just that. Okay, so this is how you work out that one. Next step, set all the text in the bottom cell except for the top line as an ordered. This one as ordered list. So this is where now you find the difference between ordered list and unordered list. So we are supposed to set the text click to pay, whatever, from click to pay, which is somewhere here. So we're supposed just to exclude this text, and then the rest is supposed to be put here. So just down there, I'm going to put this time ordered list. Okay, and just create some space, and I'm going to put some tags as well. The tags that we list tags. Okay, and I'm just going to copy this. These are 1 2 3 4, so I'm going to paste them 3 times. Copy and paste. paste and paste. Okay, so then I'll get this one, cut it and paste it there, then get this one, cut it and paste it there. It's easy to work with the keyboard. I'm just hitting Ctrl X on my keyboard and I cut and paste. I don't have to right click with the mouse and stuff, just to save on time. Okay, so then I've done that. So when I click there, you will see that now I have the list in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4, different from just the ones which are bullet points. Next, save the web page as roadbike.htm. Okay, so it's already roadbike.htm. Print a copy. So okay, no, it's not. So let's just save it as roadbike. Okay, just roadbike.htm. That's fine. And then print a copy of the markup language. So we just go to design code view. This is the markup, and then we just go to print and then print that. Okay, next, save and print your evidence document. So just save your evidence document and go ahead and print it from here. Okay, so this is, somebody was asking me that after the examination, I mean, what are the use of highlighters? Why should I go with a highlighter for the exam? All right, so I mean, you need to, the highlighter is going to be used for this portion. That's why where your center number, name and candidate number are, where your style sheet is attached to web pages and all these other stuff, you need to highlight them in your web page. Right, so guys, this has been Evans, and thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. This is the tutorial, the last tutorial that I'm making for this week. I'm traveling tomorrow to another city, and I'll only be back next week, so I won't be making any more videos from today until I come back. I wish you the very best in your exams, and it's been a long journey that you guys have had to endure a lot of obstacles and stuff, and you've been brave enough to reach this point where you have to go in the exam room and read this, write your final exam, and this should mean a lot to you. It's not just an exam paper that you're going to write. This is your future we're talking about, and really just give it your best, and I wish you the very best, guys, in your exams. May everything that you've been studying, God just help you, to even remember and even study the things that are necessary for you to pass the exam tomorrow. So see you in the next video, and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and like it, and comment it out. Whatever you want to comment out, or not whatever you want to comment out, just relevant comments, helpful comments, like most of you guys have been sending these comments. A number of you are linking up with me on Skype, and we are able to go through some of the lessons together on Skype and stuff. I love that. I enjoy teaching, and if in case you're not linked up to me on Skype, don't worry, just send me a request on evans.mulumba.casa, and I'll be able to access that. I'll probably just put up my Skype link in one of the videos or on my channel. Alright, so guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.